Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2021 E450 4MATIC Coupe. This one is a Cirrus Silver Metallic. Underneath the hood is a 3-liter inline-six turbo with EcoBoost, pushing 362 horsepower and 369 pounds of torque with a 9-speed automatic transmission. This one does come with the exterior lighting package with LED intelligent light system, adaptive high beam assist, night package with high gloss black accents on the front, side, and the rear, AMG line with the AMG body styling, 19-inch AMG twin 5-spoke wheels, black leather interior with a natural grain black ash wood trim, ambient lighting, panorama sunroof. Come around back, E450 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, clean set of all-season and regular floor mats. Driver's assistance package with active blind spot assist, Distronic, active steering assist, active speed limit assist, active brake assist, Burmeister sound system, heated and cooled seats, memory seats, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, touchscreen media display, rear view backup camera, navigation. New to Mercedes-Benz is our MBUX system, which you can give it simple voice commands by saying, "Hey, my Mercedes."
I'm sorry, can you say that again, please?
Change ambient light to green.
Okay, I'm changing the color.
And as simple as that, you're able to use it as a smart device. Dual climate controls, hard keys for a media display, wireless charging, charging ports, touchpad for infotainment center, dynamic select for different driving patterns, or different parking cameras. This E-Class has 50,064 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this E450 4MATIC Coupe, check out feldmannimports.com.